Why settle for the ordinary when you can have the extraordinary? The USF Health Morsani College of Medicine is the pinnacle development in downtown Tampa's Water Street district. The 13-story building serves as the central location for the University of South Florida's medical and pharmacy colleges. The emerging Water Street district is filled with exciting new restaurants, outdoor activities, residential living, and hotels. This eclectic blend brings to life an exciting mix of urban encounters that make a program at the Morsani College of Medicine a truly extraordinary experience. With more than 36,000 square feet of meeting and event space, this is sure to be a perfect venue for any program, ranging in size from 15 to 400 people. Spaces include a grand auditorium, dynamic classrooms, contemporary meeting rooms, and large reception halls with urban finishes that reflect well on the building's architecture. Beyond the meetings and event spaces, the Morsani College of Medicine boasts on-site catering, comprehensive audiovisual technology for any need, as well as an attentive events team that will see to your every detail. No element will be forgotten. Don't settle, expect more and get it. To start planning, contact the USF Health Downtown Events team online and complete the Plan Your Events section, or call 813-224-7847.